In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track changes in Google Docs. If you're coming from tools like Microsoft Word, you might be used to track changes. In Google Docs, there are two main ways to understand what changed: suggesting mode, which shows proposed edits in real time, and version history, which lets you review the full record of edits over time. Today, we're focusing on version history so you can see who changed what and when. Start with your document open in Google Docs. At the top left, open the File menu. In that list, look for Version History, then choose See Version History. That's the option that opens Google's built-in timeline of edits. If you don't see Version History, double check that you're working in a Google Doc, not a different file type, and that you have at least comment or edit access to the document. Also remember that Google Docs auto-saves, so you don't need to manually save before opening the history. Once you select See Version History, a panel appears on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a chronological list of saved versions, each labeled with a date and time. Google often groups edits together. If you notice a small arrow next to a date, click it to expand and reveal more granular versions from the same period. Click any timestamp and the main document view updates to show how the document looked at that moment. In this view, changes are highlighted with colors, and each collaborator's edits use a different color. Inserted text, deleted text, and formatting adjustments are all clearly marked, which makes it easy to follow the evolution of your document. If a version contains multiple edits, you can move through the list on the right to compare how the content changed across sessions. This is especially helpful for long documents or when many people are collaborating. A few tips as you navigate. If the list looks short, the document may be new or recently created. More versions appear as more edits are made over time. If you're reviewing a busy project, expand the grouped entries to see more detail. And if something doesn't appear, check that you're connected to the internet since the history is pulled from the cloud. That's all there is to it. Open File, choose Version History, select See Version History, and then use the panel on the right to view every edit in context. It's a clear, reliable way to track changes and understand how your document has progressed.